Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to explore the Find and Replace tool in Google Docs, one of my favorites. So, if you're ever searching for a word in your Google Doc, you can always hit the Control F shortcut and you can type in a word. And this one is all about China. So I can see how many times the word China shows up in my document. I can also see which one I'm on. This is 5 of 7. So I'm on the 5th one and it's highlighted in darker green. So that's how I can tell. The lighter greens are also iterations of the word, but the one that's dark green is the one I'm on. So it's the 5th one. I can just hit the enter button to go to 6 and 7 and then enter again. And I pop up to the first one. So I can double check these. Now, the find and replace feature is this is just the find. So if you just need to find that and like make a little edit, like say I forgot to capitalize China, I can search for it here and just make sure they're all capitalized. Or if I realized I misspelled a name wrong somewhere and I know I spelled it wrong like 3 or 4 times, you can use this to find them. But there's a nice feature under your kebab right here with the find and replace. So you can actually find how many times I spelled my friend Mrs. Jones' name wrong. Now, that means I spelled it 3 times here wrong. And her real name, I found out later, is Ms. Jones. So I need to replace all of those here. So I'm just going to type in the corrected version here in the replace with. And then I've got some options down in the bottom. Now you can match the case. That means capital letters, regular expressions, and ignore Latin diacritics. So you can ignore some of the accented letters and things like that. Now I can replace the first one. So remember, I'm on 1 of 3. So I'm on the first one. I can replace that one and it moves. Now it reduces it to 2. There are only 2 left. Or I can just hit replace all and they will all be changed to Mrs. Jones, the correct way to spell Mrs. Jones. So the find and replace feature can be also accessed under the edit tool. So if you hit edit, find and replace will be down here at the bottom. You can also access it by hitting control H, sorry. Control H brings up the find and replace. Control F just brings up the find. It's kind of like the short version of it. So, well, there you go. There's the find and replace feature, and I hope you'll love using it just as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.